Okay, so we're gonna export the .stl from Blender into Photoshop and import it. Yeah, import it to Photoshop, and then we're gonna export it as a PNG. And then this last step, yeah, let's give all this a shot. Let's see. Okay, so here's our model. I'm just gonna click File, Export. Let's see, STL or set STL thing. Oh, there it is. Okay. So we'll call this land stat Parthenon STL. I'm gonna export STL. Yeah. Okay. So and then we're gonna hopefully yeah this is a recording. Cool. So we're gonna open up Photoshop. Click on New 1920 by 1080. It's fine. We're gonna turn off this, and then we're gonna import that land.stat Parthenon file in here, and then you'll get this screen. Just press OK. UVs are missing and are invalid. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so we have our model here, so we can move it around up here. So right now it's the move tool. We can also rotate it that way. I don't know which way that is. Or vertically, like very similar to a 3D space. So I'm just gonna, I guess I can just put it here. And then you can play with all these other settings here. Let's see, good, I mean an image. What is an image? Cool images. Okay, let's go to Unsplash. Free beautiful images. Alright, this looks fine. Let's just download for free. And then open that up. Oops. Open that up. Let's throw that in there. Scale it up a bit. Press enter. Then I'm gonna put that as my background. Okay, let's see. Not really a big fan of the way this looks, but it works. It works as subjected. Okay. So from there, we're gonna click on, let's see. So if you want, it can be found on the web, take a screenshot. Okay, alright, so we're just gonna throw this, export it. What did I do? Okay, we're gonna click on export. Export. Yeah, I'm just gonna click on save a copy. And then we're gonna call this, let's see, Parthenon SC. Let's see, I'm gonna call it Parthenon at lake. Okay. And that's basically it. You're good to go. Please make sure that that you import this in the discussion board. So we have a discussion board here. Then please choose a better image than what I chose. Thanks.